Just got short 90.75. A couple of trades I had before. This one right here went short at 87.75. Just off of the cyclical resistance of professional bars coming down here, and we're consolidating this tight range for quite some time. And we had been one time framing lower, H, I, and J periods pretty much for from G on. We've been one time framing lower at that particular time, so I was pretty sure that we were going to take it lower because we've been making lower highs and lower lows since the high of the day. At any rate, got into pointing at 3/4 or so of profit, and this is a one lot. But I had I tightened up my stop once we got down this far. I figured if we got down this far and came back up to my entry and back through it, it wasn't going to work out. So I moved my stop from 2 points down to one tick. Ended up hitting my stop, got out there. I saw some tempo picking up right around 88 at the open of this current period, K period, and some other charts that I look at provided some information that we're going to have some type of expansion out of this range. And being that bears couldn't take it any lower, I didn't like being this high, in this range because I'm at the top going long. Usually, it's an area to be faded. But again, since we come off these the lower part of this recent boxed range here, I figured that that move that expansion move was going to be to the upside, which it was. So I picked up 2 points off of that, and then this yellow line here is the high of the day. And the fact that we came up, couldn't get to the high of the day, and then came backed off, tried it again, and had a professional up bar here and here, along with cyclical resistance on the charts here, those white dots on both charts, and high of the day all playing as resistance. You know, and in these blue up bars here, telling me that the pros probably had some limit orders sitting there to go short, and the fact that the second attempt up didn't take it any higher led me to believe that it was a good low risk opportunity to get short, which it looks like it's going to play out that way right now because this is it right here on the footprint. Came up, boom, backed off, strong strong selling, another test, couldn't get it, less buying, so there's not as much aggressive buyers trying to take it any higher, and hopefully we're going to drop below this 89.75, get below that, and then maybe that'll be the sell-off that I was hoping for a couple of trades ago. We'll see what's up. So, 1, 2, and L period just opened up. We're at the top of value today, so being that the profile as well is every period's been part of the TPO POC, so I'm assuming that it might develop. We might just sit around and chop back and forth around here in this area. So the fact that we're at the top of value, and I'm trying to go short. I don't know. Hopefully it plays out, but we'll just keep an eye on it. Coming off these most recent highs, got about a point in profit right now, and just like I thought, just like I was hoping it was going to play out, is playing out. So hopefully it continues that way. I'm wondering if, since the first time off the high of the day that was made, bears got hung up down here, big fight going on, a couple periods of balance, and we break out of balance and accelerate to the top. Hopefully, since the bears couldn't take it below overnight high on this first attempt, this right here was a small short covering rally, and now that all those stops are ran from the shorts that were trying to take it lower, hopefully maybe now we can come back through with relative ease and beyond. That would be awesome, because I've got 7 points today, which I'm very, very pleased with. That's a good day for me. And, the rest is gravy. So if I can hold this thing back down to, let's say, close to the open, 91, holy smokes, that would be like a 10-point run. Wow. I've never had a trade like that. So we'll see. We'll hold on to this. I know it's asking for a lot. Might not happen. But the fact that the bulls couldn't come back up, and this is basically 2 ticks below the high of the day, and they were stepped on and met with sellers, tells me that's typical trap. Boom, run it down. So we'll keep watching. So this trade's starting to work out a little bit. We break below the low of L period here, 89.50. Should go. I mean, at the very least, I would think it should go at least to the volume point of control, VPOC, possibly even to the other side of value area, or other side of value area low, and we get below J and in the overnight range, could be looking at 82s, 81s easily. So we'll see what happens here. The cumulative delta. The price rose relatively easy in respect to the cumulative delta move. It appears that price is going up a lot easier than it is going down today. Let's look at all the selling. We didn't get much in the way of price action. So I got that going against me. Value's higher today. Gap didn't get closed. That's extremely bullish. So hopefully something maybe have changed in this period. There's another pro bar. I'm hoping that's a usually on extremes in the context of this analysis, the extreme is right here for this little box of consolidation. But I'm hoping, with these bearish, divergence signals, which is indicated by these white dots, and the less and less selling below, less and less buying, exhaustion buy, bearish divergence, and then a smaller bearish divergence is less and less buying pressure. Okay, it looks like we could be underway here. Real nice. This right here. Buyers couldn't take it up any higher. All these are trap buyers. And then boom. There's some more aggressive buyers coming in, trying to defend this lower range here. Hopefully they get caught, and price continues even lower. So we've already broke the low of L period. So maybe this was a short covering rally in the daytime frame. Overnight we're extremely long. So daytime frame, maybe, I don't know, I'm thinking that we were short and we decided to relieve some of that pressure or resistance from going any lower, and then we can clear the way and take it down. So bulls are trying to take this back up, and they're getting a little bit for it. So it's that 1092. If we break above 89.50, I move my stop down at 90.25. I'm not gonna chance this. I don't like that right there. If they can work through that, then they're gonna probably come and test the highs, and I'm not gonna take a loss. I know it's more of a amateur way of doing things, not letting trade work out, but I was already in 2 points of profit for a moment, and to break even at all. So if it hits 90.25, I'm out. I'll be out for a 2 tick win, and that'll probably end my day. But the way it looks and feels right now, I mean, this low volume node was probably what rejected price immediately. Come back at it. Hopefully they can get through it, but it doesn't look like that's going to happen. I mean, they just got through that price level. So, and this right here, now that we're coming back up, tells me that these are probably buys looking for, to take this higher and actually get to the highs. So
Target filled.
okay, I'm out with 1 point. I brought my target up from below, um, and just kind of was, my stop and my target was squeezed between a point range, and I just did not like how they were able to actually get through that level right there. That was a lot of cells being selling, absorbing that buying right there. But the fact that bulls got a pass there made me uncomfortable. And anyways, that's it. 1 point.